Last year, Roland DG introduced the MO-240 printer, a 24x18 UV benchtop printer. This year, we introduced the MO-180, a 12x18 UV benchtop printer. So now that you have an MO Series printer, what do you want to do with it? How about printing some Braille? Our V-Bond ink has been out for a while and is available in our COI as well as the older LEF2 series of printers. However, in the MO Series, it's new for this year. The secret in the sauce is our V-Bond ink technology. It's our high-build rigid substrate ink that's also California Prop 65 certified. In this case, for the MO, you are going to be using the CMYK dual white, dual gloss configuration. And there you go, MO Series printer, V-Bond, and Braille. Please contact your Roland authorized dealer for more information, and I can't wait to see what you do.